How we doing, everybody? Another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. In this video, I'm going to be looking at some of these little money clips and keychain knives. This is my little Victorinox, always on my keychain every day. I have multiples of these. Here's one I just picked up. This is a little winger keychain knife that I just picked up. Nice little knife. Typical, blade, winger stamp here, and the fingernail file and cleaner. It has the little shears on it that have the torsion bar instead of the little spring like the Victorinox. I actually like those better for the way they function, but it's harder to repair or replace that. The Victorinox, you just buy a new spring and pop it in, but this one you have to do some disassembly to fix it. There is a small toothpick and tweezers in those as well. Now these other little money clip deals, these four on the bottom here, we're going to save for last because they all share a common thing. This little slimline, just a little gentleman's pocket knife with a nail file, nail cleaner, and a blade. It's a little advertising knife. It's like a blue anodized aluminum with scales on here. Super snappy little knife. Made by Imperial, USA. And when I first picked this up, when I found it, I thought it was going to be a China knife, and then I opened up and was surprised to see Imperial. And then this one I picked up last week. I think I showed it in the video when I reviewed what I purchased that weekend. A nice little knife, also by Imperial USA. Super snappy, real nice. I mean, it could be cleaned up and someone could put their initials or monogram on there. Nice little pocket clip knife. And then there was this one here, nothing spectacular, little advertising knife for a drywall company, but super snappy, handy little knife. Pretty much the same features as a Victorinox XD Classic, but it's made by Castleman. I looked it up. There was not a whole lot of information on them. It probably was made in China, but it's a nice little knife. This little scissors, very much like the Victorinox, and a nice sturdy clip, very snappy. And then there's this guy. I've had a couple of these. I sent one to Kevin the Knife Doctor. This is a golf tool. Has these little markers. You can mark where your ball was when you're playing in a group or whatever, and you put this little coin down to mark your location. And then instead of a blade, it has a greenskeeper tool, a divot tool, and so that's handy if you're a golfer. I'm not, but I just happened to be talking about this today, and lo and behold, the fellow I was talking to is a golfer. This is called a greenskeeper, and it's manufactured by Zippo. And that's why I gave one to